Hey guys, welcome to Sakuradev channel, and in this video I'm going to introduce you a really cool component library which is Alternity UI. This UI library has a lot of completely free components that are actually animated components. So if you have noticed here, it has a pricing menu here, which means that there are some custom components that you have to pay for them. But the good news here is that it offers a lot of completely free components that you can use in your React or Next.js project. So now let's quickly go to the free components here. So as you can see here, it has a lot of free components that you can use in your project. So now I'm going to quickly show you some of the components and the way you can use them in your project. So here, for example, let's go to this animated tooltip here. And you can see this tooltip is really cool and animated. So for example, if you want to use this component in your project, you need to install the frame and motion, CLSX function, and table merge. And then you need to create a CN function, okay, which is actually the combination of the table merge and CLSX function. And then this is the beauty of this UI library. It gives you the source code of the component. So you can copy the source code of this component and go to your project and just create a component and paste this source code into that component, and you can use it anywhere in your project. So I think this is really a good benefit of this component library that offers you the source code of the component. So for example, if you need to use just one component from this UI library, you don't need to install all of the components in this UI library. It is kind of like the ShadCN UI that allows you to choose and install the component you need from the UI library. So as you can see, it doesn't have the basic components like input component, button, or other normal components that we need in our project. So you need to install a base UI library that offers the base components, and if you want to make your web application really beautiful, you can use this UI library in your project. So in my opinion, using the ShadCN UI or Next UI along with the Alternity UI is really a good choice if you want to make your application look better. So now let's browse some other components and quickly show you the appearance of the components. So for example, I think the tabs component is really cool. So this is the tabs component, and you can see we can change the tabs just like this, and it is really cool. And another one is the lamp component. You can see it is really beautiful. And the other is the meteors you can use inside your cards. And let's show you the last one, which is the wavy background. You can see it is really beautiful. So yeah, this is the Alternity UI, and that will brings us to the end of this video. And if you have any question about this UI library, tell me in the comment section below. Have a nice time. Stay tuned for my next video, and bye bye.